What's going on, everyone? Carlos here, Disney World Freak. Come to you with something a little different, a room tour here at Foxwoods Resort and Casino. Fox Tower. We've never stayed at the Fox Tower. We have done Pequot. First time here at Fox Tower. And I figured I'd give you just one of their standard room tours. We'll start off with the bathroom. Nothing to it. Full stand-up shower. Fit 2 people in there comfortably. The throne off to the side. Single vanity, but plenty of space. Plenty of space. Odd place to have the coffee machine, but at least there is coffee. Hello, everyone. I thought I was going to Disney, so I have my Disney shirt on. But you got your soaps, your shampoos, your creams. Plenty of towels. Extra toilet paper. I do see a hair dryer down below. Sliding barn doors. I like sliding barn doors. I really do. This is a lock-off room, so you can, if you want to have connected rooms. Closet. Very large closet. Here's your iron, some hangers. Very large ironing board for a hotel room. And then we got the king size bedroom. They do have also double queens, but it's just Suzanne and I, so king size. Very large nightstand. No USB plugs, but there is a plug there. Little alarm clock, of course. Oh, safe in the drawer. I was not expecting that. Safe in the drawer, I was not expecting. I was actually expecting the Bible, but we have a safe in the drawer instead. Again, very large, king-size bed. Soft mattress, not my thing. I am a firm guy, and that mattress seems very dated furniture. Got your lamp, ice bucket, complimentary 2 bottles of water and coffee. Little refrigerator, not that cold. 2 drawers. There's the Bible. 2 drawers. 2 large drawers. A little workstation area with, nice little work desk chair here. Very large work area. I like that. Little wastebasket, lamp. Again, no USB plugs. Another nightstand, single drawer. 2 little shelves there. A sitting chair that Suzanne's already using. And the view. We are on the 28th floor. She asked me if I had a preference. I always say the higher the better. And we're only like 3 floors from the top. So, 2? I thought it was 3.
No, 30 floors.
So 30 floors. So 2 floors from the top. That looks like a frozen pond. Or maybe it's just a field with some snow. But I do enjoy this view. I like the back view. When we stay at Pequot as well, we always get the back view. I don't know. I just prefer to see this over, the street. I guess the golf course is across the street too. But very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Small pool down below. That is covered right now. But yeah, first time here, like it. It is a little dated. They offered a remodeled room for extra money. And I said, yeah, no, we're only here one night. But here it is. Again, king size room. Fox Tower, Foxwoods Resort and Casino. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. And that's that. Until next time. Bye.